gotta see if you can fit. Okay, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. You gotta sit. You gotta sit. You gotta sit down. You have to sit down. And her say, well, maybe will it pull up? Let's see. Pull up. Okay. He won't sit. If he's fat, it might. If he's fat, it might, you know. He might be able to sit. Sentarte, Bear. Sentarte, you gotta bend your legs. Stop. Don't let me bend your legs. Okay, here, go down. There we go. The end. Okay.
You know what? Can you give up? Can you just say it's not going to work? Look at the dog. Look at his paw. His paw is outside of the thing. Look. He's like, what are you doing to me, lady? He's like, really? Really? Look. But wait. Look. He said, okay, let's call it quits now, Ravana, because he's not going to fit in that small little thing.